What's going on, guys? We're out here at Loose Custom Exhaust in Derry with the Prelude again today. And today I got some parts for the Honda. I went and bought a full Invidia catback exhaust system and some coils. We'll get to that later. We're not doing it right now. But recently had the car. I put a radio in it so you guys can see what it looks like here. But the check engine light just came on. It turns out that I have a little bit of an exhaust leak at the flex pipe. So we're gonna get that fixed and we're gonna get the Invidia exhaust system put on. But I'm here with the owner and operator. You wanna say hello?
What's up, man? How you doing?
So here at the owner and operator. So if you guys need to come down, get your exhaust systems done in New Hampshire, Loose Custom Exhaust in Derry, he'll hook you up. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna have to leave the car here because he's pretty busy. But what we're gonna end up doing is he's gonna take a couple of photos from me underneath to take a look at what the exhaust system look like. And when I get back, we'll pick up the video so we can see how it sounds. But right now, you can hear it. This is how it sounds beforehand.
The bracket disposed, we swap from the van to the ghost. Choosing just life at below, got to be doing the most. Drop the Addy in my slide, pull up the lamp, power glide, drip to high five. She came over to the crib, she asking me for Wi-Fi, no way in hip. She get shorty to the curb, she says that I right to world, now she wants.
So we're here. We got the exhaust on. It's the next day. And man, y'all gotta look at this. It looks crazy in here. We're underneath the car. Let's take a look. Ooh wee. Also, while we're down here, can we just talk about how nice it is down here? There's like little to no rust. Don't mind the bracket. All the brackets usually look like that for a car that's 24 years old. But like, the only spot of rust, once again, from the accident, is right over here. But that doesn't look too bad. That can be fixed. But overall, it's savable. And man, I can't wait for you guys to hear what this sounds like. We're about to bring it down. And once we bring it down, we're gonna listen to it. And I'll take a video for you guys. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's tough.
Yeah, sounds good.
So we're back at the house. The exhaust is installed. Thought I'd get a little bit of a warm rev for you guys now that it's home. But let me do that for you. So we're back in the garage now, as you can see. And honestly, I have nothing but good things to say about what's his name, Jason at Loose Custom Exhaust. He did his thing on it. He really helped me out there. Great prices. So if you guys are in the Derry area, definitely go check him out. But I think that's gonna be all for this video, guys. Next video, hopefully, we'll be looking at putting new shocks in the car so it'll ride a little bit better. I think I might sell the wheels though. They're a little on the big side. I think I might want to go to 17, but for now we're gonna rock with the 18s, and if somebody offers me some good money for it, they'll take it. You know, I'm not worried about it at all. But before I leave, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I thought this would be some little, cheap printing, but Amazon, y'all doing y'all thing. First off, they didn't go with no cheap gilding. They went with the black gilding, black label, you feel me? And then, look at this. The print itself isn't like, it's like actually in the shirt, not on top of the shirt. So you don't have to worry about it peeling off or anything like that. This
Good job. Great job. I fully back this.
And you know, while you guys are here, support me. Grab one right now. Link in the bio down there. And yeah, go pick yourself up one. Matter of fact, we got different styles. We got one celebrating coast to coast. You know, if you haven't listened to that, go take a look. That'll be in the bio as well.
I can take you to Miami, fly off the coast. Cause anywhere that's where I wanna go. I can take you to Milan and shop at all the stores. The way that you're feeling me, you can get what you want. Coast to coast.
Big Birkin bad, she working. Shorty come through, drop it back, start twerking.